Are you looking to buy a Realme 10 Pro 5G? Then you should watch this video completely. Otherwise, you will hate this phone after buying it. Subscribe for more videos on Realme 10 series phones. Realme 10 Pro 5G with Snapdragon 695 CPU and 120Hz LCD display is a low-power daily use phone. Many people will say that the 108 megapixel main camera on Realme 10 Pro is really good, but if you buy based on this, you will be disappointed after Realme 10 Pro unboxing. In this Realme 10 Pro review video, I will cover all aspects on the phone, including its features and problems, and you will understand whether this is a good phone at the current price in Amazon or Flipkart. The 120Hz display with Full HD Plus resolution is not good when compared with Realme 10 Pro Plus, which is definitely a flagship level phone. If you have used an AMOLED display, then you will not like this phone. Realme 10 Pro camera test shows that camera quality is also bad when compared with Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. The processor on this phone is pretty weak, and Realme 10 Pro gaming test including PUBG, BGMI, etc. shows how the games are good to play at medium graphics. Realme 10 Pro charging test shows how the 33-watt fast charger can charge the 5000 mAh battery in around 1 hour and 50 minutes. Now coming to problems, the first issue is the bloatware and advertisements in Realme UI. The ads are visible everywhere, and even when you install apps from Play Store, ads from Realme Store show up. Some of the bloatware apps can be easily uninstalled, while others remain. Realme has promised to reduce the ads, but that's to be seen after Realme 10 Pro new software updates. Another way is to turn off ad preferences from settings, but I would say it's better to completely delete Realme Store and associated services by using this method. This is because of the fact that Realme Store and its services are collecting your data, and then they are making money from this without your permission. Now coming to the second problem, it is heating issue when playing games and charging the phone. If continuously you play a game, the phone becomes really hot and then it starts hanging and lagging. This can be expected from a Snapdragon 695 CPU, as it's only good for normal usage. The third problem is with RAM management. If you buy the 6GB RAM variant, then the available free RAM is only around 1.5GB. So apps running in the background will start refreshing, there will be hanging issues, and there will be visible lags. The fourth problem is battery drain, even when you are using the phone and even when you are not using the phone. When you are using the phone with a heavy usage like playing games, the battery will run out faster, and even if you don't use the phone and keep the phone in standby mode, the battery drains, which is definitely a problem of the software. So finally, when compared with the Redmi Note 12 Pro, this phone is very weak and don't have many features, but even when the price is less, I will not recommend this phone for gaming or even as a all-rounder phone. I'll suggest you to save some more money and buy a Realme 10 Pro Plus, as the display on that phone is definitely worth the money. By the way, remember to buy the 8GB RAM variant to avoid hanging and lagging issues. Also, don't forget to watch this Realme 10 Pro Plus video to learn more about the phone.